Hello, dear students. In the previous lecture of the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure, we are discussing the separating or separation techniques here. Okay, we discuss the like ink. From ink we separate what? Dye particularly. From milk we will separate cream. Okay, this is done by the centrifugation, or this is done by the evaporation or vaporization particular process. Okay, now today we will discuss some more separation technique. Like first of a mixture of a two immiscible liquid. You have immiscible liquid mean to say, you know that oil plus water never completely mixed up. So you have the mixture of oil plus water. Now how will you separate this? Let's discuss this one. So for that you must have some equipments like a separating funnel. I am drawing the diagram for a separating funnel. It is like of this nature. Here is a closed container from here. Okay, you can put here from mixture, and now you will get a round type flask here. Okay, after that it will start contracting, again converting into tube form. Here you will get a stopcock. This is stopcock. Okay, you can close it or open it. Now what we will do? First of all, we will put mixture from over here. Okay, in this. When we have fixed the mixture up to here, now suppose the mixture we have filled it with up to here, this separating funnel. Then what will happen? We will left it undisturbed for a long time. Then what will happen? You know that oil is have lesser density as compared to water. So there formed a layer particularly. The water will get the lower condition. Here you will get water, high density. Because high density get a lower portion. And here you will get oil. So two different layers get lower density. So now what you will do? You very well know that you will open the stopcock and let the water comes out very slowly. Okay, and after when you have come up to this layer, then you will get your mixture separated. Okay, this whole concept is based on the density principle. The two components, two liquids whose density is different than each one to each other, then you can easily separate them by using a separating funnel particle. So this is the first thing, which is the principle based on separating funnel principle, is density based. First thing here. Okay. Now what's the second thing? In the second case, we will separate mixture of salt plus camphor. Okay. So what you need for this? You need one china dish, burner stand, funnel, okay, and cotton piece. Cotton. Now how these things will help you? Let's discuss this. I am making you a diagram. Suppose this is burner, particularly your burner stand. I am putting over here burner. This is burner. Now you will put china dish over here. China dish. Okay. Now you will put the mixture of salt plus camphor over here, and the funnel you have put inverted in the condition this. Okay, put the funnel inverted here. Inverted means reverse, ulta. And here you will give a cotton. Okay, stop the cotton. Now what will happen here? You know that camphor can sublime. Okay, camphor can sublime. So when you heat, the camphor will start vaporizing. Okay, it will appear the camphor and it will start condensing over here and it will get deposited over here on the funnel. Okay, so this is solidified camphor. So the whole concept is based on the sublime process. Mean to say, you have a mixture. Here is the salt. Okay, here you will see the fumes of camphor. Okay, so the whole concept is based on what? Sublimation process. So more mixtures things are can be sublime, like ammonium chlorides, okay, anthracene, naphthalene. These are some substances which can easily sublime. So that's why you can use any of these mixtures to separate from anything by the process of simple one, that is sublimation particularly. Okay. Now we have discussed two immiscible salt plus camphor on sublimation. This is on density basis. Now let's discuss a third one as well. Okay. In that you have to separate different colors of dye. So you know that you have separated the dye from ink. Now this dye is also mixture of color. So we will separate that color, and the process is known as chromatography. This is a very important one, chromatography. How it will work, let's take it. First of all, you need a filter paper. So what you will do, you will have a filter paper. Suppose this is a filter paper. Okay. Now you will use a pencil and you will draw a line over here, and over this line you will make a point. Okay. You put a point from the pencil. Now what you will do, you will have a beaker. Here you will fill water in the beaker. Okay. You have to fill the beaker in such a way that when you put the filter paper over here, this water level exactly comes to this pencil spot up to here, not above that. Okay. Now you will not after putting this pencil spot, you will not put the filter into there. Then what you will do, put ink on the spot, then put the filter paper into the beaker. Mean to say, first what you will do, I am again explaining. You will take a filter paper, you will draw a pencil line with the pencil, then you put the pencil spot over here. Then what you will do, by using a dropper, you put the ink over here. A drop of ink you will put here. Okay. Now after putting the ink over here, you will dip the filter paper into the water. Now what the next thing you will see? You will see that water start rising on the filter paper. Water start rising on the filter paper, because it have property that water start wetting the filter paper. Okay. So water will start rising, but in the same time the ink color in the ink will also start rising, but different color have different solubility in water. So that is the whole concept. Mean to say, the color which is less soluble, that will rise up to lesser, and which is more soluble, that will rise more up to. So this will give you the composition of the colors which is inside the ink. So this whole concept is based on solubility of a different color in a particular solvent. Okay. Different solutes have different solubility in a particular solute. Mean to say those both solute is soluble however in that particular solvent, but to a different extent. That's why they can easily. So this chroma particularly word is a Greek word which means to say color. Okay, so this is the first technique used to separate the color, chromatography. Now in today's days, chromatography has increased to a lot of extent. Okay, there are many types of chromatography exists, paper chromatography, column chromatography. So those are on different principles, but this is a separation technique particularly used. So today you have discussed three steps, particularly three techniques. The first one, mixture of two immiscible liquids. The second one, salt plus camphor on sublimation basis. This color of different colors in a dye on the basis of the different solubility of those colors in a particular solvent. In this case, solvent is water DR. Okay. So today, first thing you will do, read these separating techniques. These separating techniques. Okay, 5 we have done total. Total 5 you have to substitute. Okay. Next, write down steps. Step 1. Write down stepwise these processes in your rough notebook. Okay, thank you.